Yeah, I mean, I think I know a lot more about the market than I did earlier this year. I kind of look back on myself and cringe a little bit. But I mean, yeah, like we've been talking about how we've kind of been expecting higher prices into the end of the year. I think some of these on-chain like supply specific dynamics that we're seeing, and as well as CoinDesk destroyed and stuff. Um, some of those things kind of point to maybe this extending out into the first few months of next year. Um, I don't necessarily look for timing, and we've talked about this before. Like I don't look for timing as to okay, the market's going to end, the cycle's going to end in December because that's when it's historically ended. I'm just looking for these behaviors. So, um, I know I say this time and time again, but it's like I don't have specific time or price targets. It's more so like what are the behaviors that have previously resembled exuberance or greed in the market, and once we see those, I don't know if that happens next month. That could all of a sudden happen within a matter of weeks, or it might take several months for us to get to that point. But historically, in terms of how long it's taken for these dynamics to kind of play out, I mean, I think there's a reasonable argument to be made that we kind of extend out a few months into next year. But yeah, I mean, my conservative kind of price target for the end of the year was always, I said, all-time highs to about 75K. And I still think that's in the cards. But I mean, as far as the absolute like pico top, I mean, we'll have to just keep monitoring these behaviors to know.